Your license has been suspended since April, first of all.
Why is he trying to open the trunk?
Okay, so, hey, hang on. Listen.
What's going on? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
Go ahead and step out. I've asked you. I
don't have to do it.
On June 7th, 2024, a routine traffic stop in Florida quickly escalated when a driver refused to sign a traffic citation. What began as a simple enforcement stop soon turned into an arrest after officers repeatedly explained that signing the ticket was not an admission of guilt, but a legal requirement. Bodycam footage captured the tense exchange as officers were forced to take the non-compliant driver into custody.
Hello. No, I pulled you over today? No? Okay, so are you the registered owner? Okay, so your license is invalid. Do you have it on you? Yeah. According to your tag, yeah. Do you have it on you? Do you know why it might be invalid? Okay. Alright, just hang tight, because when I run your tag, it comes back as not valid. So it's suspended in some kind of way for whatever reason. Yeah, I can check for you. Just give me a second, okay?
Let's get him. Info.
605. Does my RO have any priors for DWLS articles?
You got mail.
Alright, Miss Renee, so your license has been suspended since April, first of all.
For what?
So you have like a can you turn the car off for me actually? Just because so let me explain. So you have like a financial responsibility. I don't know if you got a prior ticket, you got something that you didn't pay.
It was my insurance, and I paid that, and I paid to have my license.
Go ahead.
There's no way this is done.
Okay.
Why is he trying to open the trunk?
Okay, so hey, hang on. Listen.
What's going on?
So the tag, there's a cease tag order on your car.
Cease tag?
Cease tag. So the tag has to come off.
Wait, what's going on? You're not telling me why.
I'm explaining to you.
You're not telling me why.
You're not letting me tell you why.
Okay, then tell
So
me why.
I just told you your license has been suspended, first of all.
And you can't tell me why.
A financial obligation, whatever you didn't
That
pay.
doesn't make any sense.
Okay, well I'm telling you, that's what
I
it
just
is.
renewed this.
You can show it to me. It might not be the insurance.
What's going on here? What is it? You're so telling me what it is.
It doesn't tell me what the financial obligation is. It just tells me that it is.
What, I'm getting arrested? I mean, I don't want to be
Say that. So listen. All right, listen. So the license has been expired since April. I don't know what it's for. Financial obligation, whatever the case is. Okay. And there's also a cease tag order. So which means we have to take the tag off the vehicle. Okay. So with that, sure, I could arrest you. I don't really want to go that route, but understand that you can't drive this vehicle. So they're going to hang out with you for a second. We're going to figure some stuff out, but it is suspended. Okay? I'm not lying. There's no reason for me to lie. It's suspended, and there's a cease tag order. So the tag has to come off. Okay? I know you don't know what it's for, but I don't know what it's for either. Financial obligation.
Insurance? Does she have insurance?
She said she thinks it's for insurance, but she already paid for it or whatever, but...
You have to update it with DMV.
Right. So, it's probably insurance, like you're saying. It doesn't tell me what it is. So if you haven't updated it with them, that's why. With the DMV, they still got it suspended. Which, not only is suspended, but it's got a cease tag order, so the tag's got to come off. Okay? Okay. I got next time. She doesn't have any cars.
It's going to be in. So what?
She doesn't have any cars. So upset. So you have no idea what it's for besides that?
I really don't. You see how upset I am right now?
I get you. People get upset even if they know what it's for.
Do you want to see if there's any priors?
She's not any cars. I read
Oh,
it.
you did?
Yeah.
The cars, you're going to have to take the car.
Huh?
You're going to have to take the car.
I know. She knows. me do her citation. Do you want to see if she has someone she can call? Because we're going to take it. Oh, we'll let sign. If you don't want to sign, let's sign. Alright. Let's hit it. I need you to roll down the window.
I need a moment, please, just to gather
Step
myself.
out. Okay, go ahead and open the door.
Why?
Go ahead and open the door.
Why? No,
I'm not
I don't
asking
have
you.
to open the,
I'm not
don't
asking.
have to open the
You
door.
actually do.
Why? Am I being arrested?
I need you to open
Am I
the door.
being arrested?
So didn't I explain to you that this was a criminal charge,
Am I
right?
being arrested?
I need you to open the door.
Am I being arrested? Ma'am, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right
Go ahead
now?
and step out. I've asked you. I've asked you.
Yeah, I don't have to do it. I can't believe this is happening right now. I can't
Stop.
believe this is happening.
It wasn't about you.
Don't talk to me.
Okay.
Oh my God.
She's
so small.
This happened yesterday, and the female came out of cuffs multiple times.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a big friend. I'm a huge friend. That's why you gotta cut me.
Nope.
Yeah.
You're not.
That's why. Yeah, that's why. Because I'm a friend.
Just the best you can, and I'll say just put the seatbelt on.
It's not because you're a threat. It's because I asked you to sign it. I asked you multiple times. I wasn't going to arrest you, but...
And now your feelings are hurt because I didn't sign the damn
No, because
citation.
it's-
I asked for a second just to have a goddamn moment, just to gather myself. I asked for a
605, one in
moment.
custody.
I asked for a moment.
Okay.
I can't believe this. I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything to you.
Let me get
I
this.
didn't do anything.
All right, calm down, man.
What? Are you kidding me? You're arresting me for no reason. Don't tell me to calm down.
All right.
I was really trying to be nice.
Now I'm gonna have to try to look it up because I've never personally done one, but I know people have.
For what?
For the refusal to sign.
For the criminal citation?
Yeah, I had to look it up because I haven't done one.
I mean, I could arrest her anyways.
Yeah. Let me please. I'm gonna try to help you if you want to.
Yeah,
Because I need to.
New dispatch info. New dispatch info. Dispatch info. New dispatch info.
The driver was ultimately taken into custody after refusing to sign the traffic citation, an action that Florida law treats as an arrestable offense. What began as a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into an avoidable arrest.